The South Lake Highwall Project is a powerful example of reclamation in action, transforming 81 acres of abandoned mine land near Pleasantville, Indiana, into a safe, accessible, and thriving space. This $2.2 million effort was led by Jefferson Township, Pleasantville Community, and the Indiana Department of Natural Resources, with support from OSMRE and Kearns Excavating.
Back before I even worked here, we'd come down and this was one of our favorite lakes to fish, my father and I. So I have a lot of connection with this lake. It was filling in, especially around the boat ramp area. We were able to dig that out to increase access. It was restocked, and we also provided a bunch of fish structure. We dumped a lot of rocks and stuff around the edges. So I think in the future, the fishermen will locate those and will catch some really nice bass and stuff by those fish structures.
So the ditches were pretty long on this site, left over from the mine, and the reason for that is they had to convey water away from where they were mining, and it ran the entire perimeter. One of the challenges with the core, through the design, we had to shorten the ditches or streams, but by shortening them, we created natural landform design, added sinuosity, and improved water quality.
Such a large site, it has quite a large drainage area, so dealing with the stormwater flows, we actually put a secondary impoundment up on one of the hillsides close to a community building that they can utilize, but we also use it for some stormwater retention.
The tree planting here would be very successful. We planted a lot of oak trees, a variety of oak trees. It's hard to get natural regen sometimes with the oaks, and we've got those planted. So long-term effects will be very, very positive.
From eliminating more than 3,500 linear feet of dangerous high walls to restoring 81 acres of land and water for future generations, the South Lake Highwall Reclamation Project is a powerful example of what thoughtful, science-driven reclamation can achieve. By addressing acid seeps, burying harmful coal waste, and transforming spoiled slopes into thriving ecosystems, this project goes beyond safety. It invests in long-term ecological health. It supports hardwood regeneration, creates inclusive access for all, and offers new opportunities for wildlife and outdoor recreation. For these reasons and more, the South Lake Highwall Project is proudly recognized as the 2025 Interior State's Abandoned Mine Land Reclamation Award recipient.